Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. My name is Rosemary. I'm a hairstylist. Well, so I thought until now. In my last video, I said I was going to quit doing hair, and so many concerned citizens reached out to me. A lot of questions of why a lot of questions. So in today's video, I'm going to address and explain the reasons why I've decided on what I want to do. Because the truth is, it's not as simple as I'm quitting or I'm not quitting. There's more to the story, as I said in my previous video. After 10 years within the hair industry, I've experienced so much to just give a simple answer. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the whole experience within the hair industry. So please stay tuned. By the end of this video, you will really understand where I'm coming from. So grab a tea or popcorn, a cup of coffee, whatever, and then let's spill the tea. Okay, let's go into details. So I started my journey about 10 years ago, okay, in 2016, and a lot has changed since then. And at the time I started, right, wigs were no mainstream. They were more for artists, musicians, performers, or people who were losing their hair. It wasn't as popular then as it is now. So fast forward to today, so many things has changed. Okay, influencers are using wigs. It has become an everyday thing for people now. It's become more like a lifestyle. It is no longer like a wig or a hair thing. It has become like a lifestyle. It is part of what we do now as women. But first of all, I want to be honest with you. My journey hasn't been completely smooth or consistent. I have had to step away twice due to childbirth. I would say this was 2019 to 2021, and then 2023-ish, thereabout to 2024. So I haven't been completely consistent because I was moving around quite a lot. I moved from the UK back to Belgium, where my family lives, to have my first child. Then I relocated to Germany to join my husband. So during that time that I took some time off, a lot of things has come and gone, and I would like to discuss them. There were like thick, dark lace. In those era, they didn't have HD lace. Okay, now HD lace is like the G now. HD lace is the girl. HD lace is what you want to go to because it gives a more realistic look of the wig than all the others. So there are other type of laces which I've already talked about in some of my previous videos, so you can find them and watch it. But HD is like your girl. Okay, another thing that was very popular at the time was baby hair. So dramatic baby hair. If you made a wig and you don't do baby hair, oh dear, did you even make any wig at all? It was dramatic. I can find some pictures and put it up there. Every now and then you still see baby hairs, but it's not as drastic as it used to be before. Before. But I would say slowly by slowly, the industry has changed. The industry has evolved, and people are more into a more realistic look of their wigs than ever. Right now, anyone can just wear a wig, or anyone can lay a frontal, and it will look realistic because of the lace and because of how the wig is constructed. So let's talk about the breaks then. So the first one was in 2019, and like I mentioned before, it was due to relocation and childbirth. Now that was 2019 to 2023, so that was almost like 2 years. Okay, so by the time I came back, a lot has changed. I stepped away for a few minutes to just focus on life. I came back and I felt lost. I felt like everything had changed. It felt like I had missed a season of a show where everyone else was already caught up. Me, I was trying to find my way, again in the hair industry. So again, when I came back, so many things had changed. The introduction of HD lace and then glueless wigs became more popular. And also, so many things. The types of lace also became more popular, so they were not using that dark brown. I mean, at some point we also had like silk lace. Those ones are literally, if I find some I'll put it on the screen, but can't even find some anywhere now. But all those things have changed, and now the laces had become transparent lace, HD lace, Swiss lace. Swiss lace was very popular too at that time. Then the second break was in 2023 to 2024. Once again, I took a break to have my twins. I mean, if you didn't know, I have 3 strong kids. We are raising kids. I'm a boy's mom, so you can imagine how chaotic it is at home. And when I got back, I mean, a lot has changed again. In fact, I actually regretted the first one, taking that break, but 2023, I really needed it because I couldn't really stand a lot of the products I was using. To date, some of the products I still can't use because of the smell. And then when I had babies, the babies came twins, transitioning from 1 child to 3 kids. It was not easy. I had to really take that break. So of course, I took that break and the industry did not wait for me. Can you imagine? They didn't wait for a whole me. I came back and it has completely moved on. So many things has changed. Like today, everyone is doing hair, but before it wasn't like that. Now everyone is doing hair and everyone is making a business out of it. The hair industry has become so much competitive now. It's amazing. It's crazy and amazing at the same time. I mean, we all want to succeed. So when I say I am quitting, this is the part that a lot of people don't understand, and I will need you guys to please understand, okay? So when I say I am quitting, it's not really about walking away from doing hair. It is completely about evolving within the hair industry, because if you don't, it's going to leave you behind, just like it has left me behind a couple of times. Because right now, so many things are still changing, so many things are evolving. So no, okay, to answer your question, no, I'm not quitting doing hair completely. No, I am just evolving, and I'm going to adapt as the industry evolves. I will adapt to the industry, learn new things, know how to actually satisfy my customers like even more and stuff. Like, I mean, there are a lot that is going to go in this new chapter of mine. Okay, so if you want to stay glued to how I evolved or how I go about this new chapter of mine, then please subscribe to my channel, okay, and stay tuned. Alright, so we have come to the end of this video, guys. I am sorry for making you think that I'm quitting doing hair, but I am not. I am still here, and this is where I will remain until God says so. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Please give this video a very big thumbs up, and also share your thoughts. What you think has changed within the hair industry. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.